Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I posted a video, but we have a good one today. The number one, in my mind, number one upgrade for the new 2020 Super Duties for under $100. So yes, this part is under $100, and I've had this part for like 3 weeks now. Just haven't had a chance to put it on. It should only take a few minutes to put on. I've seen some guys posting photos on the Facebook pages and stuff, and it looks great. If you're checking in for the first time, this is my 2020 F350 6.7 Power Stroke Platinum. So far I've done a 2.5 inch ready lift leveling kit with the drop brackets. These are a 20x9 zero offset Dirty Life DT1 and a 37 1250 20 Falcon Wild Peak HE3W. I am in love with these tires, guys. These tires, they're so quiet. I had them in the snow a few times and they were really good in the snow, and my mileage is really good. So I'm averaging between 18 and 20 mpg with this truck with 37 inch tires. That is really good. That's better than what I get with my 19 350 on 35s. So far I've been in love with this truck. Also, we did add the Firestone 5000 airbags, or the 2600 series, I guess they're called. We added those with an Airlift Wireless One onboard compressor, which I mounted in here to keep all the salt and crud and all that stuff out of the way. The bed cover that I went with, and I've had this bed cover on my 17 250. I just took it off that and put it on this one, is the Backflip MX4 bed cover. I love it. Best bed cover I've ever owned. It lasts in these harsh environments that we have here in Nova Scotia. It doesn't look harsh today. It's actually beautiful today, but we have some crappy weather here. So that's it. So for the guys that are just checking in, that's it. For the guys that have been here all along, I'll get on to the video. So today we are taking this humongous air dam off, and we're gonna put on the Tremor air dam. I'll show you the part numbers and stuff when I go to bring it out and put it on. So a bunch of guys have been asking me right from the get-go, hey, are you gonna hook up the snowplow on the 2020? Because I have two snowplows and I only have one truck with a snowplow on it right now, which is down there, my 19 350. And I said, no, I don't think so. And the reason why is because I already have a snowplow on it. It's right there. This thing is massive. It is massive. So all jokes aside, guys, when I first got the truck, I couldn't get that Tremor air dam fast enough. I wanted it so quick. I wanted this gone. I wanted it gone because the truck was stock height. And now that I've got the Ready Lift leveling kit on the front, so 2.5 inches up, plus the tires, they're going from a 34 inch tire to a 37 inch tire. I'm up there a long ways, and honestly, it still looks like crap, but it doesn't bother me near as much as what it did when it was stock height. I could live with this, but for under $100 to throw that Tremor air dam on, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You can also get the 2-wheel drive one, which is a little bit thicker, I guess I'll call it, than what the Tremor one is, but still half the size, less than half the size of this one. So they do this obviously for mileage, right? They do this for mileage. So like I said, I am getting incredible mileage out of this truck right now. I am so happy with the mileage I'm getting out of this truck with the new 10-speed updated engine. So when we pop this off and put the Tremor one on, I guess we'll see, you know, if the mileage is affected, because that's what this thing is for. That's what it's all about. That's what this thing is all about. So as far as taking it off, it looks like all we gotta do is take off these little clips. So there's one on each side right here, and then there's a bunch of them underneath. You can see all the way along underneath there. So we're gonna take those off, and then we'll put the Tremor one on. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna take these off because these do nothing. I'm told that these are only really there for transport. And with the Tremor air dam, you're gonna see this thing. So I'm gonna take this off while I'm under here and just get rid of it. I've got 3 of these right now from taking these off of the trucks when I put my snowplows on. So let's get at it. All right guys, so we got the big snowplow off. So just in case you're wondering, that is a 8mm. That is an 8mm. I just used my little impact. You need to use your wrench for the couple that are right here. One's really hard to get at, right inside there. But we got it off, and I got one of these little transportation brackets, whatever the hell they're called, off right now. But you can see how much more access and view you have to everything, including those brackets. I'm told they're for transport. Anyway, so that is, it seems like an 18mm fits really good, but I don't have 18mm. 3/4 will also work, so I just use my big impact. You don't need to use a wrench. It kind of looks like you need to use a wrench on the other side. Like it looks to the naked eye, there's a bolt that goes all the way through both sides, but that's not the case. I'll show you what it actually is. So this is what it actually is. So you don't need a wrench on the other side, you just need your impact. So let's take the other one off, and then we're ready to put our new Tremor air dam on, which I'll set up side by side, and I'll show you guys the part number. And these little clips, you got to save these little clips. I think I haven't looked at the Tremor one yet, but I assume you got to save these here 3 clips on each side and put onto that one, because that's what actually has the threads inside of it for your bolt to go through. These ones, it just goes straight up through. All right, guys, so check this out. It's actually quite hilarious. Look at the difference in this right now. Like, that is unbelievable. That's like this portion right here. This little portion is all this is. Like, look at that. That is insane. Yeah, okay, so like I said, you do need to save these 3 clips. So take these 3 clips off and just pop on here. All right, we're ready to throw this thing on. All right, boys, there it is. What a huge difference that is. What a huge difference. It's gonna take some getting used to it, to be honest. Looking at the truck like this, you can see so many. You can see the steering components now. You can see a lot underneath the truck. That is crazy. That is crazy. What a difference. From the side, it looks really good. Wow. You know, I got used to the big air dam on there. Like I said, it didn't really bother me. But this does look better. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. Yes, sir. Awesome. So guys, here is the part number right there. Part number. I will put that in the description below, but there is the part number. All right, boys, we're done. So I said 10 minutes to start it with, but it's actually a pretty intricate little process, because you need, if you're going to use impacts, I had to use the big impact for getting those brackets off, small impact for screwing up all the screws for the air dam, and then you can't get the impact into these 2 locations here, so you need, you know, a little ratchet and your 8mm. So 3/4 socket, 8mm socket, impact, ratchet. So yeah, I spent more time running down to the shed to grab tools than I did probably doing anything, but I would allow yourselves you know, at least a half an hour to get it done. I mean, I am recording during the process, so it obviously takes a little bit longer, but give yourself a half an hour, I'd say. But anyway, guys, she is on. That is done. Beautiful day, like I said, here today. I got the yard raked, completely raked all the way here. All this is raked, and we'll probably get some wind and it'll blow back in. But yeah, I can't wait for this to green. This time of year sucks, guys, like it does for looks wise, but the ground is setting up. So we're actually going tomorrow morning with the 550 and the mulcher, and we're gonna be clearing a site. The mulcher is actually hiding right over there, so I got to get the bucket off, get the mulcher on, and we're heading out tomorrow morning. But all right, guys, that is it. The truck looks great. The truck looks great. So obviously we have some more things to happen to this truck. We are still still upgrading the lift system. That's still getting upgraded. Just making some decisions, and they're hard to make right now. Things are sort of hard to get. We have the emblems, we have the mirror caps, they're ready to be painted. It's just stuff right now isn't going as quickly as what it normally would be, obviously with everything. But anyway, we still do have some decisions to make. I can't find these caps anywhere, just the caps. You can pop these caps off in 30 seconds. I can't find just the caps anywhere, so I'm gonna have to paint them. And this little chrome strip here, I'm probably gonna have to paint that. I'm just making some decisions here. I'm getting rid of most of the chrome. There'll still be a little touch of chrome just to sort of sparkle a little bit. I don't mind the grill. But I have some plans in mind for the grill as well, and the emblem, you know, all that stuff. So there is still projects on the go for this truck. This truck is not ready yet. It's not done yet. It's not even close to being done yet. But that is a huge upgrade right there. Huge upgrade. The next upgrade is the skid plate. I got the FX4 skid plate for the transfer case. I've had that for a while as well. That is the next project. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.